Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The most dangerous states in the US for online dating. 3 dates a day makes your hair follicles strengthen, prevent hair loss, and promotes fast hair growth. Nuketown in Call of Duty is based on a 1950s model village in Nevada called Doomtown where nuclear tests were carried out. When we talk, we hear our voice both through our ears and through the vibrations of our bones. This is why our voices sound strange to us when hearing them on a recording. The honey guide bird, particularly the greater honey guide, has developed a symbiotic relationship with humans by leading them to beehives. Once humans harvest the honey, the bird feeds on the leftover beeswax and larvae. Tiger who cracked her own tooth is fitted with a gold tooth implant. In France, women can marry at age 15 but men can't marry until they are 18. Solar flares can erupt more than 100,000 miles from the sun into space. Don't want to share your dessert or snack with your kids? Just tell them there is alcohol in it. Drinking coffee before bed delays your internal body clock by 40 minutes. Top cheapest cities to live in the world. The axis of the earth is tilted at an angle of 23 degrees. This causes us to have 4 seasons in a year. In Pompeii, some streets feature small white stones placed between larger stones. These are called cat eyes and were used in ancient Roman roads to aid nighttime navigation by reflecting moonlight. The magic word abracadabra was originally intended for the specific purpose of curing hay fever. A 99-year-old man divorced his 96-year-old wife after 77 years of marriage because he discovered an affair she had in the 1940s. Bacteria has mutated on the International Space Station into something never seen before on the Earth. Mountain climbing is a sport where people climb mountains. It may involve hiking, scrambling, rock climbing, as well as crossing glaciers. Someone who does mountain climbing is called a mountain climber. Touch sense. This has been found to be distinct from pressure, temperature, pain, and even its sensors. Frito-Lay company makes 16 billion packets of snacks every year. Even light cannot escape a black hole because of its intense gravity. According to research, new friends become better friends over time if they have similar levels of social anxiety. Jennifer Lee is the first woman to direct a Disney animated feature film. Pandas have sometimes been seen rolling down slopes. While they may be playing, they may also be trying to dislodge twigs from their fur. The honey guide bird, particularly the greater honey guide, has developed a symbiotic relationship with humans by leading them to beehives. Once humans harvest the honey, the bird feeds on the leftover beeswax and larvae. Venus is called Earth's twin because they have similar shape and size. 3-toed sloths native to Central and South American rainforests move so slowly that algae grow on their fur. This algae not only provides the sloths with excellent camouflage against predators but also fosters a tiny ecosystem where moths can thrive. Rajaram Mohan Roy. The term Hinduism was first used by Rajaram Mohan Roy in 1816 to 1817. From 1803 until 1815, Ram Mohan served the East India Company's writing service. The Taj Mahal appears pink in the morning, white in day, and golden at night. The iconic Mission Impossible theme song cleverly incorporates a Morse code message. The rhythmic pattern starts with two long notes followed by the two short notes. Bhaskaracharya was the leader of a cosmic observatory at Ujjain, the main mathematical center of ancient India. Bhaskaracharya rightly calculated the time taken by the earth to orbit the sun hundreds of years before the astronomer. Nine women called the Nine Nanas kept a decades long secret that even their husbands knew nothing about. For 30 years, they gathered at 4 a.m. to bake cakes, anonymously paid bills, and bought clothes for those in need. A fan drove 3 hours to deliver rapper Boozy a much needed dosage of insulin. She refused to accept payment and instead asked for just a photo. On her way home, she stopped at a store, bought a scratch off ticket, and won $10,000. World's biggest economies in 2075 project by Goldman. Mexico, Germany, Brazil, Egypt, Pakistan, Nigeria, Indonesia, United States, India, China. Thanks for watching.